Today I will show you how to use undo or redo in Figma. So we will use this design as an example. First we will mess up this design a little bit. We will, I don't know, put this image here, put this here, we will put this text here and these icons. So if we want to undo what we just did, we need to click Control on Windows on our keyboard and click Z. And that will undo everything by one step. And that's it. Now if you want to redo what you did, what you need to do is you need to click Control push Y, and that will redo again everything. If you're on a different operating system and you want to see how it is done, you can go to main menu drop down and go to edit, and here you will see these options with how you can undo and redo, and that's it.